In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change default search engine in Google Chrome, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing. By the end, you'll have Chrome set to use either DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or Bing for all searches you type into the address bar and on new tabs. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window so the settings are available. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the main Chrome menu you'll see in the screen recording. Click Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with the Settings page. Select Search Engine. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page. This section controls how Chrome handles your searches from the address bar, also called the Omnibox. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a detailed page where Chrome lists all available search engines that the browser recognizes. Find DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or Bing in the list. You should see a section labeled Search Engines, and within it, entries for DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and Bing, along with their domain and keyword. You're just locating the one you want to use as your default. Don't change anything else here. Click the three dots next to the search engine you want. This action opens a small menu for that specific search engine entry. Click Make Default. As soon as you select this, Chrome sets that search engine as the default for your address bar searches. You may notice a small default label appear next to it in the list, confirming the change inside settings. That's the entire process. From here, every time you type a query in the Chrome address bar and press Enter, Chrome will use your chosen default search engine, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or Bing, to show results. This change only affects how searches are processed. Your bookmarks, history, and extensions remain exactly the same. If you ever want to switch to a different engine later, you can return to the same screen and repeat the final 2 clicks for another option. A quick recap so you can double-check what you see on screen. You opened Chrome, went to the three-dot menu, opened Settings, selected Search Engine, chose Manage Search Engines and Site Search, found your preferred engine in the list, clicked the three dots next to it, and clicked Make Default. As long as you followed that sequence, Chrome is now set to use your selected provider automatically. If you're using this on a work or the school computer and the option is locked, that typically means Chrome is managed by your organization. In that case, you'll see a notice at the top of Settings. Otherwise, on a personal device, you should have complete control here, and the change applies immediately. At this point, the setup is complete and working. Your default search engine in Google Chrome is now set to DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or Bing, and any new searches from the address bar will use it automatically. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.